Good afternoon. We are at Imli Machan. Right now I am standing on the Machan in Chandrapur Forest Division, Karwa Tourist Safari route. So this is one of the very major important water bodies that you see out here. A big water body out here which actually dries up completely during summers. Luckily it has rained in last 2-3 days, so it has filled up. Otherwise this completely dries up, and if you see there are huge big fishes out there. But because of the water scarcity, the aquatic life also finishes out here. Apart from there, this is a regular tiger movement route out here. Tiger is seen very often by safari vehicles in this water body. Previously, it was just filled by the monsoon rains, and then it used to dry out. But now a borewell has been done here. So we are putting up a 1 HP system out here, which will be feeding it water, keeping it very full throughout the year, so which will actually help the aquatic life apart from the other animals including tiger, sloth bear, gaur, cheetal, sambar out here.
मैं विजय रामटेके यहाँ पे क्षेत्र सहायक इस पद पर मध्य चांदा वन विभाग चंद्रपुर वनवृत्त में कार्यरत हूँ। ये महाराष्ट्र राज्य में आता है। यहाँ पे एक प्रादेशिक वन विभाग में बल्लारशाह परिक्षेत्र के अंतर्गत कारवा बल्लारशाह सफारी पर्यटन यहाँ पे शुरू है। तो यहाँ पे हमने जो पानवटे है, जो वन्य प्राणियों के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था की गई है, उस पर 5 जगह पे अपन बोरवेल मारे हैं, सोलर लगा के दिए हैं। ये जो है बाड्डा बोड़ी, वराट बोड़ी, बेहड़ा तालाब, इमली तालाब और नया न्यू तालाब कंपार्टमेंट नंबर 5 से 13, इसमें ये अर्थ ब्रिगेड फाउंडेशन इन्होंने सोलर लगा के वन्य प्राणी के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था करके दी है। इससे अपना वन्य प्राणी के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था, जो समर में वन्य प्राणी इधर उधर भटकते हैं पानी के लिए, वो इधर उधर ना भटकते हुए वहाँ पे पानी की व्यवस्था हो जाएगी और अपना एक बायोडाइवर्सिटी भी मेंटेन हो जाएगा। वहाँ पे अच्छा हरियाली मेंटेन हो सकती है, इसलिए इनका ये अच्छा काम यहाँ पे इन्होंने किया है।
Warat Bodhi is a large water body that breathes life into the wild. Every summer, this lake would vanish. But today, thanks to our Project Aquarius 1 HP solar system, Warat Bodhi is filled with water throughout the dry months as well. Tigers, leopards, wild dogs, gaur, cheetal and sambar frequently visit this site. The hard work of the workers and forest staff paid off with our 1 HP installation at Umri. The pond filled by this Project Aquarius pump will be immensely helpful for the wild animals in the area.
Good morning. We are at Itoli grassland right now. This is a very interesting project that we are doing in Chandrapur Forest Division right now. It is one of our experiments that we are doing, where we are trying to do something for the nearby villages so that we could avoid conflicts and cattle grazing inside the forest. It's a very new experimental project that will mark a new beginning of how we do the wildlife conservation projects. So this is a grassland wherein actually we have done a solar system out here to give water for this grassland. This grassland actually will be used to grow grass here, which the villagers nearby can use to cut it and take it to their home so that their cattle can be fed there, and so that the number of cattle going into the forest will reduce. So this will help in 2 ways. First, the conflict will get reduced. Secondly, the cattle will leave a lot of grass inside the forest for the wild herbivorous animals. So the density of herbivorous animals will also grow inside. And third, the cattle kills of the animals will also reduce. So this is what we are looking at, a very interesting project, and Neeraj will show you the entire grassland and where we are doing the project.
Filled by a newly installed 1 HP solar pump system, the water body at Barabodhi is a lush green oasis surrounded by vegetation that will truly benefit the wild residents of the area. This majestic tiger found the water body filled by our pump in Mordi Talal to be the perfect spot for some leisure time. It was an incredible sight to witness our hard work paying off for the wild animals in the region.
मैं एसआर यादव, वो राउंड ऑफिसर पोबुरना। हमारे यहाँ नर्सरी के इसमें सोलर का काम किया गया है। अर्थ फाउंडेशन ने सोलर लगाया है, तो उसमें नर्सरी को एक पॉइंट दिया हुआ है और एक हमारा खोद तालाब था 300 मीटर दूरी पर है यहाँ से, तो वो एक खोद तालाब पर भी पॉइंट दिया गया है, तो वहाँ पाइप वहाँ तक पहुँचाया गया। वहाँ पे अभी जानवरों के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था हो जाएंगी, वहाँ जानवर बहुत है उस साइड में। तो यह अर्थ फाउंडेशन ने हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा कार्य किया है। इस काम के लिए मैं अर्थ ब्रिगेड फाउंडेशन का धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
With workers putting their best efforts towards the construction of our installation at this site, it was a fulfilling experience to see the creation of this new water body. The area was dug out in the most optimal way to ensure that wildlife in the area find convenient and easy access to water.